Hello TGFP Nation. The beat in the background is California by Liquid. Links are in the description. Come along with us as we journey partway through Holland Bamboo in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Enjoy the ride, and as usual, like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. We will do the driving, and all you have to do is bring the vibes and the snacks. A big shout out this week to Christopher Curtis, Samuel Burke, Tina Clayton, Chantel Newman, Ava Aiken, and last but not least, Omar Nicholson for their support of TGFP Nation. Looking forward to see you again soon. Bye for now.